Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today we are going to be talking about smart goal setting. So, it is the new year, and a lot of people are setting goals and resolutions for themselves. And I'd love to share with you some tips of ways that I have found to set yourself up for success. So, there is a specific technique for goal setting. It is called SMART goals, and we'll talk about what that stands for. So, the stands for specific. The M stands for measurable. The A stands for achievable. The R stands for reasonable or relevant. And the T stands for time bound. So let's talk about each one of those pieces really quickly. So the specificity, so you don't want it to be too vague. You want to really define what it is that you are trying to achieve. So you can do this by answering the questions who, what, where, when, and why. That will give you the specifics that you need to really hone in on what it is that you're trying to achieve. The next piece is making it measurable. So we can't affect something that we haven't measured. We can't hope to change something if we don't know where we started and where we want to be. So actually having a number, a quantity, something that we can actually track over time for this goal. For example, don't say I want to get healthier. So you need to actually have something there. So maybe that means I am drinking 8 glasses of water, or I am exercising 30 minutes a day. Those are just some examples. Achievable. So you want this to be something that is going to challenge you, but not something that is so out there that you don't really have a chance of achieving it, or you feel so overwhelmed that you don't feel that you can actually get to that goal. So it's better to take baby steps and make multiple goals. So start with a little goal that is a little bit challenging that you can actually achieve. Once you achieve that, then we can add another layer of difficulty, and then we can finally get to maybe that bigger goal that you're looking down the road. Relevant. So it needs to be something that is relevant to you, has some personal meaning, is connected to your why. Otherwise, you're not going to dig in and do the hard work when the going gets tough. It has to mean something to you. Yeah. And the last thing is time bound. So you need to put a timeline or some sort of timing around it. So a timeline, I want to achieve it in a month, or I'm going to do it once a week, or I'm going to do it once a day. Whatever that looks like, you need to put some sort of time deadline around that goal to make it more achievable. Hopefully you have found this helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.